Okay, once again, I'm just going to write out the answers. If we get through all the answers, then I'll go back and answer questions about it, okay? So just mark. You should already have it done. F, E, A, H, C, G, B. Give yourself a mark out of 7 over here somewhere. Remember, I am recording this. You can check it later. 8 through 14. D, E, A, F, C, D, F. Remember, do not try to correct it. Yes, just like the instructions say. A term may be used more than once or not at all. Do not try to correct it. You can go back and correct it tonight. You are just marking. Add the exponents. Multiply the exponents. Of course, I will accept plus and times, which aren't real words, but whatever. 0. That's out of 3, making the whole first page out of 17. 115. What do you do with negative fractions? I will accept any kind of wording here. The actual answer is reciprocal. But you could write flip. You could write x, y becomes y over x. I don't care. As long as you recognize you're flipping the fraction. Root 15. All these are worth 1 mark. 4 to the 5th. 7. Negative 3. Root 405. And m to the 2/3 over n. And again, you can check these later. You give yourself a mark out of 7 on that page so far.
Quick question. For number 9, aren't you supposed to write 4 and then the root sign?
Oh yeah, 4th root. Thank you. This is 98. To factor that, you went 9604, divided it by 2, got 4802, divided it by 2, got 2401. Uh-oh, it doesn't divide by 1. Uh-oh, it doesn't divide by 3. Uh-oh, it doesn't divide by 5. What's the next prime number? 7. 343, 749, 7, 7. So you had the square root of 2 squared times 7 to the 4th. Looking for groups of 2. Out comes a 2, out comes a 7, out comes another 7. 7 times 7 is 49, times 2 is 98. These are all out of 2 marks. This is 5.1 squared plus 3.5 squared to get 38 blah, I don't remember. This is 9.3 squared plus 4.3 squared to get 104 blah, I don't remember. 2 marks each. This is a to the 6th. I don't remember. B to the 6th over c cubed for 2 marks. B. I don't have b squared. That is, oh wait, yeah, I think I screwed up. Yeah, that should be b to the, yeah, I screwed up. B to the 4th. 4th times 2 is 8. Yes, that should be b squared. Whole page is out of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 7 is 15. 15, that's what the man said. This is 4 root 4 is the biggest. Then 3 root 6. Then root 30. Then 2 cube root 5. That's the order they need to be in. What method? That's up to you. I don't care. That is 3 root 5. That is 2 cube root 5. That is 9 cube root 3, or root 3. Again, all of them are 2 marks. 2 marks. Out of 2, out of 2, out of 2. That is, as a power, 3 to the 5/4. That is x squared over y to the 3/2. That is 4n to the 4/3. 2 marks each. You need to roll 3 times. Because every time you roll, half the people will disappear. Right? Out of 2 marks, making that page out of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And the last page. Where'd she go wrong for 1 mark? Where'd she go wrong for 1 mark? Right here. What's negative 25 minus 0.75? Positive 0.5. There's her mistake. Negative 0.25 minus negative 0.75 equals positive 0.5 for 1 mark. The correct solution is 3 to the 1/2, which is, of course, root 3. I would accept either one of those for 1 mark, making the last page out of 2. So the whole thing is out of 2 and 16 is 18, and 15 is 33, and 17 is 50. It's out of 50. And we have 5 minutes left to answer quick questions.
Wasn't that on 52?
Yeah.
Is it 52? 17 and 15 is 32. And 16 is 48. And 1 and 1 is 50. This test is tomorrow. This test will have questions of this level of difficulty. There will be some multiple choice, there will be some open-ended. I must have made both of them out of 2 marks each, and as I'm marking it now, I realize they should only be 1 mark each, because you only knew one thing there. It's omitted, so it's not affecting you anyway. Where will you report the score you just got?
On the pass tomorrow.
Right. What will you write on your test tomorrow? And Amrit? Your name. Word.
Everyone come to my house. I'll show you guys my bed.